Once the appropriately sized Monarch cartridge is selected for the Clarion IOL to be implanted, the surgeon should fill the cartridge with an Alcon-validated viscoelastic such as Viscoat prior to loading the Clarion IOL. Before removing the Clarion lens from its package, a drop of irrigating solution or viscoelastic may be placed on the lens without touching the lens surface. Also, a drop of viscoelastic may be placed on the flat surface of the lens package itself to help make it easier to secure the lens prior to insertion into the cartridge. The Clarion IOL can be grasped at the haptic optic junction to prepare for insertion into the Monarch cartridge. When using standard forceps to load the lens into the cartridge, grasp the lens by the optic edge and gently place the lens anterior side up into the back of the cartridge. The lens should be inserted until the optic is slightly more than halfway inside the cartridge. Use the forceps to gently push down on the lens, verifying that the lens is on the bottom surface of the cartridge. Once the lens has been well positioned, using the forceps, take the trailing haptic and gently fold the haptic onto the anterior side of the optic. Then, slowly push the optic edge to position the lens as far into the cartridge as the forceps will permit, while ensuring the lens remains on the bottom surface of the cartridge and the trailing haptic remains on the optic. Once the lens is well positioned into the cartridge should be inserted into the Clarion Monarch IV IOL delivery system handpiece. Insert the cartridge into the handpiece by fully sliding the cartridge backward into the handpiece, under the hood, and then forward into the slot. Holding the knob of the plunger, slowly push the plunger forward until the threads make contact with the handpiece barrel. Once contact is made, turn the knob clockwise to engage the threads. The Clarion Monarch IV IOL delivery system is now ready for lens implantation. The surgeon should then position the nozzle of the cartridge through the incision. Once in the desired location, the surgeon should then continue to rotate the knob clockwise until the IOL is delivered into the desired position within the eye.